Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob Sutton and we're back here with another video today. And guess what? We actually got 3.5 inches of snow this weekend in Georgia. So guess what I did? Pulled this out. So as I mentioned, we got 3.5 inches of snow over the weekend. And it was a perfect opportunity to get the MAVIC Air out and fly it in some adverse conditions. There were some pretty big flakes coming down at this point in time. It was about halfway through the day, so we only had about 1.5 inches or so of snow at that point. But I did take some pretty cool drone footage of around the house and of my son playing in the front yard and falling over a little bit because the wet snow wasn't quite sled ready yet. But he did get to do some later in the afternoon in the golf course behind our house. So what's always kind of amazing to me is that given the MAVIC Air's size, that it still flies so well in windy conditions and conditions like this weekend where it was getting pummeled with snow as it was up in the air. I got the MAVIC Air because I wanted something more compact that I would take with me more places. Ironically enough, I don't take it as much as I should, but this weekend was a perfect opportunity to get it out and get some cool footage of around the house. So that's basically where I'm gonna keep this video today. I really just wanted to be able to do something with this drone footage that I got over the weekend, so that is what you are going to see now. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks guys, enjoy it.